Borg and Overstrom accompanied our partners, the Smart Edit, to their latest kitchen installation project for content creator Olivia Jarvis.
Hi, I'm Salvatore. I am Client Director at the Smart Edit and I look after day-to-day operations and working very closely with our clients. So the Smart Edit is a family-run business and we look after luxury interior design and specifically kitchens, and we like to make things look absolutely beautiful but work in a much more smarter way. Kitchens are the heart of anyone's home. When we design our kitchens, we want them to be beautiful yet practical. One of the USPs that we do at the Smart Edit is our bespoke coffee cupboards and pantries, and this is where the Borg Overstrom T3 tap in particular has really helped us sell that, because we can have that dedicated space.
Hi, I'm Olivia Jarvis. I'm a fitness and food YouTuber and content creator. I create all my recipes around healthy, high protein dishes. My specialty is mainly making healthy desserts that are high in protein, all around sort of whole food ingredients, and yeah, that's what I do. So I partnered with the Smart Edit as I was really struggling with creating a space that would be both functional, stylish and also super aesthetic, as I create a lot of my content in the kitchen. So it needs to have things like brilliant lighting and be really functional, so I can sort of work my way around the kitchen and just make sure everything's accessible as well. And the Smart Edit really specialise in that area, so they were my first port of call. So what I really like about my T3 tap is just how functional it is for me. I found myself going through so much bottled water and I was really stuck because I was trying out different water filters in the fridge and just not really enjoying the experience of that. The T3 tap really helps with my hydration goals, and I've never seen another tap that offers the ambient temperature, so it's not ice cold, and this is much better for your body to digest. Something that I've tried to work on reducing is having loads of things like Coke Zeros and all these carbonated drinks, and one of my favourite drinks that is my go-to at the moment is elderflower and sparkling water, and it's a bit of a running joke how much sparkling water we go through, so that has been one big reason for getting the T3 tap, and also to save on plastic, because that was a huge sort of area that I wasn't that comfortable with, and with the T3 being super sustainable, it's just a perfect solution for me.
So working with Borg and Overstrom has been absolutely superb, really professional and always there, happy to help. We've actually specifically designed our coffee cupboard around the T3 in specifically because it suits well, and the team are always there happy to help.
At Borg and Overstrom, we provide premium water to the home, workplaces and gyms. We work closely with our partners and end users to meet their hydration and sustainability needs, ensuring a beautiful experience and excellence in every pour.